Hey yo people, guess who's back from the gym? Me! And I got some really good ass news for you people. Who hit a bench press PR? Me! Oh, yeah. So. Let me just elaborate a bit. Okay, I'll just tell you about my whole session. So, सबसे पहले टेलिंग यू कि बेंच प्रेस पीआर कितना था. इट वाज 70 kgs. 70 kg. Yeah, 70 kg bench press PR. After failing it for 3 times, we waited for 2 months to hit this PR, and we hit it. Yeah. So now it's time कि मैं तुम्हें कहूँ इतना इसके क्रेजी क्या है. सबसे पहले talk about महाशिवरात्रि. सी ये 2 months का जो the shit that I blabbered कि 2 months we waited. I don't know कितना time हुआ. Might be a month or 1.5. We don't remember. But I'll tell you महाशिवरात्रि के दिन. It was my fast. Okay, मेरा fast था. And fasting के दिन all we ate was मीठा खाना. Lassi, then fruits. Various type of carbohydrates, every carbohydrate possible, chiku juice, then banana shake, everything, apple juice, blah 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 blah. It was my fast, and us then while benching I didn't had my gym bro. Okay, it was my fast. Okay, it was fast, and fast ke din gym bro na bole is not gonna come. Damn bro, I just noticed. The tanning we have right here, but it doesn't matter. Nah, why? Cause we hit a fucking bench press. PR. So yeah, okay. There was some distraction, but yeah, I'll tell you. Thursday दिन मैं अकेला था. I was benching, and all of a sudden we found it added on Instagram. जिसमें it was Goku का edit, like dun 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 dun.
तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
And वो edit सुनने के बाद I was like orgasmic. Oh shit. Like I felt like I can conquer this world. Like woo! That was a whole another feeling I had. So I decided कि we're gonna hit some bench press PR. उस time my bench press PR was 65 kgs. 65 kgs. Okay. See, let me be clear. I weighed 62 kgs. And 65 kgs might not be a great deal, but considering कि घर में diet नहीं करने देते. See, those are not excuses. It's just a part of the process which I need, but वो नहीं हो पाता. It's just my mom का food and all that. Yeah, we're building some decent strength with it. So उस दिन we went to the gym. We were benching. We felt strong, like really strong. So benching. We did 50 kgs, 55 kgs. To be clear, the illusion in my mind is like, like 60 kgs felt light, like we did 65 kgs. उस दिन 65 kgs क्या हुए थे? 4 reps. 4.
Are you sure about that?
Reps, yeah. And then 70 kg. I was excited कि 70 kg is my PR. But what if the bar falls on my chest? Like what if like book and I'll be dead? I never failed my bench press उससे पहले. ठीक है, I always had my gym bro if I was failing. But this was first time जो मैं अकेला था. I was अकेला. I found a random guy जो मेरे पीछे था. We won't describe his appearance, like no judging. But I was like, bro, एक spot चाहिए. He was like, okay. मैं कहा bench press PR है, ठीक है. Like PR है मेरा. It's 70 kgs, only one rep max. तो तब तक स्पॉट मत करना जब तक द बार फॉल्स ऑन माय चेस्ट. लाइक अगर बार इज डिसेंडिंग, नीचे जा रहा है, तभी तो स्पॉट करना, उससे पहले मत करना. एंड आई थिंक ही वाज मैड. ठीक है, ही वाज क्रेजी. थोड़ा था उसको. द मोमेंट द बार टच्ड माय चेस्ट, उसने हाथ लगा दिया. He just lifted up. I was like, is he dumb? Is he stupid? And उसने like पूरा से जोर लगा के उठा रहे करके. Like तभी मूवमेंट लाइक सेट करते टाइम मेरा मूड वाज रूइंड. आई वाज लाइक क्या किया, मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली क्यों किया. इट वाज माय पीआर ब्रो, इट वाज माय पीआर. लाइक कितना बैडस होता ना कि महाशिवरात्रि फास्ट कम खाया है and I was hitting a PR. See, I was carb loaded, accepted, but still man. फिर मैं वर्कआउट इतना खराब गया. हाँ, उसके बाद वी रेप्ड 70 kgs, but it wasn't that great of a deal because he was just spotting like here. So we did 4 to 5 reps, but it wasn't that great of a deal. उसके बाद I never felt strong. उस दिन के बाद मेरा वर्कआउट इतना खराब गया. I was just doing incline में मुझे खराब था. मैं जिम ही छोड़ दिया. I was like नहीं अब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. There's no fun. I have no energy left. I gave my everything in this bench press, and this little shit. He decided कि मेरा सेट खराब करेगा. सेट मेरा PR खराब कर दिया उसने. So yeah, whatever. उस दिन के बाद we tried multiple times. We weren't feeling strong, okay, but still we tried and we were feeling again and again. Today too we weren't feeling strong. But remember, I was reading that book Subconscious Mind wala. उसमें I learned some shits and I applied those in my life. I was like, नहीं, we are feeling strong. 70 kgs is nothing for me. I'll just press it. कि क्या ही करना है? ऐसे अंडरैक्ट करना है. नीचे ऊपर. That's it bro. उतना ही तो करना. And today we went like, okay, first we went to the gym. Yo, some stretchings, stretchings, then some mobility for shoulders with the cables. Okay, we did that. Then थोड़ा बहुत fly से we did some warm up to the chest. Then we went to the bench press. Okay, सबसे पहले empty bar. Uya. Then उसके बाद we went for like कितना था? 30 kgs का bench press. Okay, then warm up. Then we went for 50 kgs, like warm up. We went for 60 kgs, warm up. We went for 65. I struggle. Shit, the fuck I'm not supposed to struggle. मैं आज struggle करी तो how am I supposed to hit 70 kgs right now? Like bro, how am I supposed to? But we were determined. We were like, nah, I need to do this. And then it was time. 65 का मैंने किया 4 to 5 reps. 4 to 5 reps. And then 70 kgs के टाइम पे I was just staring at the wall like, and music was blasting in my ear. I was watching bench press videos with awesome edits. The funk, the bass that I had in my ears, that was just insane. Like, hum. We went and bro, they were so smooth. The lift was so smooth. It was smooth as fuck. Like, the bar just keep like, no. The moment when the bar got pushed kiya, I was like, I laughed. I had this laugh, and then I just turned and just damn my gym bro, like damn, we hit it. Like, oh. उसके बाद after 2 minutes we went for another PR. Like what if हो जाए? See, we had zero. We cannot say zero. We had some hopes कि हो जाए. What if हो गया 75 kgs? So we went for it, but बाहर अटक गया like छाती के पास. I was shaking like. The muscles in my chest were tearing up, and पीछे से people were shouting. Other friends, they were like, spot kar. But I told my gym bro, जब तक this bar doesn't fall on my chest, you're not supposed to spot me. जैसे ही bar गिरा, I just lifted it. Still I was happy because we hit this 70 kgs. So yeah, people, that's it. If you think I'm faking it, no, I'm not. But mark my words, the moment I'm gonna bench press 75 kgs, that will be on camera. We're gonna do it on camera. Damn, brightness कम हो गई. 5% left on my phone. Shit. You know what? We need to be quick. Our recording is right now. So, wait a sec. All right. So I found the vlog went over 8-9 minutes. We don't care about it because we just wanted to record our aaj ki khushi. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. But we enjoying our life again. So see you till the next video. Bye.